if function. If, alright. If function is a logical test. It tests out some values. So we have a few values here to test. Negara. Alright, let's go. Go to B3 sekarang. Alright. Put an equal sign. I F kan, betul tak? Just two words kan. I still don't type it because I want to open up a bracket. So double click kan will help me do this. Open up a bracket. Okay, boleh? So if nampak tak component function? Hanya 3 komponen tau. 1, 2, 3. So that this is Excel IntelliSense. Alright. Now when we plug in the function, we are going to follow the IntelliSense. It says here logical test yang pertama. Nampak dah bold up. Yukming, do you have this?
Yes.
Okay. Is it bold up on your version?
Bold.
Yeah, okay. Good. Okay. So this bold up thingy it is not clickable. So jangan cuba klik. Jangan. Dia nampak macam boleh klik tapi don't cuba. Alright. Logical test. We want to test this. Can you click on this A3 here? Okay. If this A3 is equal sign Indonesia, when you are dealing with text, kena ada double quotation mark, opening and closing. We know that this cell is Indonesia. Okay, so we're gonna test it. So if this is Indonesia, comma, once I press comma, do you notice on your own screen komponen yang kedua diboldkan? Betul tak? So it's very easy when we follow this. When we keep our eye on this, right, which one is bold up, is quite fast to plug in formulas. Okay. So if the value is true right now, so what is it? Well, this is Indonesia kan, memang lah. Alright. So quotation mark. This is Indonesia. Okay. Close quotation, please. Okay, comma. What if it's not Indonesia? Well, simple. This is not Indonesia. Nampak? Okay, and then close bracket. Betul tak? I don't want to close the bracket. I want to let autocorrect to do it for me. Supaya senang. I will press enter. Okay, and this is the function I get. I'm going to copy and paste it on the chat box right now. Okay, do you notice something, guys? I purposely put on small caps. It is not case sensitive, so formula ini akan berjaya juga. So right now I am going to double click to copy down. All these countries is definitely not Indonesia. Betul tak? You guys got that? Boleh? Berjaya tak? If you got any problem, please to ask me. Okay, what if I put a space here? Indonesia, right? Indonesia space. Indonesia space tak akan sama dengan Indonesia because of the spacing. Cuba perhatikan about spacing, space yang tak berkenaan. This space here, which I just put in just now, right? This is known as a trailing space. Okay, if you have space in front of the item, is known as a leading space. Trailing and leading space. Alright. Next example, right here. We have revenue here. Anything more than 300, 5% discount. Anything less than 300, no discount. I want to change this a little bit. So this is, let me change this, 300 or more. Alright, nothing much, just a wording only. Alright, so kita kan gunakan if formula. So here kan kita kan tag tau, hasil is actually either 5% kan. For this case kan 5 lah, ini memang 0 dan sebagainya. Alright, we are going to use if function to do it. Let's go. Equal sign, if, okay, double click, no new steps, sama sahaja macam tadi, cuma beza dia is the numbers. Alright, logical test. Test apa? Test this, A6. Alright, now test apa? Whether it's more than or less than 300, betul? Alright, so more than 300. Itu, don't key in, jangan cuba key in 300, sebab 300 di sini tak payah key in lagi, cuma select B2, that's all guys. Now 300 or more is actually like this kan, betul tak? The sign is more or equals to kan, right? So in Excel, right, it's actually written like that, lebih and equals, not like this. This is secara manual. So here I'm going to put like that, equal sign, sebab lebih dan termasuk 300 kan. Alright, and I'm going to click on the B2 right now. After the B2, why? Comma. So if it's 300 or 300 more, click on 5%. So do a quick check what I'm doing now. So make sure that you are all on the same page as I am. Okay, comma. If it's not 5%, well, what? Well, comma. If it's not this, kita cuma ada dua pilihan, right? Two choices. If it's not 5%, it's this one. Done. So once you got this, please feel free to click enter, press enter. Okay, boleh. Do a quick check. I'm waiting for you. So just check what you have on your screen and mine. Make sure that it's okay and correct. If you're alright ready, press enter without closing the bracket. You don't have to press the bracket, closing bracket, because it'll autocorrect for you. I'm going to press enter and check, and I get this, and I'm going to save it up. Control S to save. Nampak ini tak? 5%. Boleh. I nak tukar ini kepada peratus. So peratus is just right up here. See this? It's just here ni. Okay, you can also use the shortcut key called Control Shift peratus. It's the same. See this? I'm just going to press Control Shift % and save. Same thing lah, shortcut lah. I am going to copy down. I haven't locked the cells yet. See what happened when I copy down? See this? What's going to happen? See this? Cells sudah lari down because I didn't lock. So that, see this? I am on B7 right now. See B7 kan? Sudah jatuh satu spacing ke bawah dah. I am on the third one now. See this? 1, 2, 3. Third one. Notice the cell has also 1, 2, 3 downwards. So that, okay? So wrong. Okay? So come to here. Apa-apa cell yang berkenaan ini, I'm just going to lock the column and the row. So ready? So I will come to anything between B2. I'm going to press function key 4. Click on this function key 4. Function key 4. Shortcut key for locking everything. So once done, enter. Please do not key in your $sign. It's a waste of time. I'm going to press enter. Double click to go down. Okay.